kuvecha mevo tota na yese organizer mo national polyglot Urhobo edenu na mi me isenu na erewa isenu na kona Uruemu lopo okoka marawo tuvo ikwori pekimlere irine gwacha eje gwamle woda forofo agogo no we wa forofo oyina je gwa we jere enyobume. Now let me translate it to English. Uruemu attitude or character. Womana Uruemu lokwo one's attitude or one's character or one's way of life. Okokangma lawo tuvo is like a cloth ama lawo tuvo that has been put out to be sun-dried. Water forofo, if you washed it clean, agogona or where the joy is yours. Wajegwa forofo agogona or in a case of wejere, whatever that comes out of it is also your because equally beki I kamle. Those people that are passing by to the market, they will see it as you put it out to be sun-dried. Those that are coming back from the farm, they will see it as you put it out to be sun-dried. So, what is this? This is one of the philosophical statements or proverbs that our parents used to groom us while we are growing up. When you're doing something, instead of them to shout and shout and shout, they will say, "Omo me okoro, omo me otiti gberuwe, Uruemu lopo, okokamara wotuvo, ikwori peki chamle, irine gwacha eji kawa mlejiri. Wada fora manafo, agokono wo, wala forofo, oya jigwa wonderful me, mome, back to my vie. When an elder tells you that, you know you have to think deep and connect the dots. What exactly is going amiss in my behavior? Now, you now think about what you're doing, assuming my way of life is actually a cloth that has been put out there to be sun-dried. How will people react to it? Will they call me a dirty person? Will they say, "Oh, this person is clean"? Who wants to be tagged a dirty fellow? Everyone wants to be tagged clean. So if you think that attitude you are having were to be a cloth and it has been put out there to be sun-dried, you know that that cloth will not be attractive to the eyes. What do? You wash that attitude for a manner. For Uruemu wela stand on a bonfo. Lele kwoli mwavle jebi. Awo mle utao yoyoma. Otake wekedi atane. Omamode oyowinefe. This another one again. Omamode oyowinefe. That a good name is better than riches. Omena. Tiamde kwenu na yone vume. Okiko kiofa. Wo. Yobo we every subscribe button na. Watch gwakali video na. Kikwole wo vuge jobi. Tible ge we jobi dede. Kwa jobi le ge na jobi. Kwado. No idea. What do you